I followed the same simple oral care routine for the past 5 years, and I have perfect teeth. No cavities, no bleeding gums, no bad breath, nothing. And the best part? It's only 5 steps. Quick, simple, and anyone can do them. I also reveal my special hack that not only protects your teeth, but also saves me 25 minutes every single day. And yeah, I drink Coke sometimes. So what? Let's start with the obvious. Brushing. I brush twice a day, morning and night. Nothing fancy here, but there are 2 rules I never break. First, I always use a soft bristled toothbrush. Hard brushing doesn't make your teeth cleaner, it just scrapes away enamel and damages gums. And I go with an electric toothbrush, though manual brush work just fine if you know the correct technique. And second, I always wait 30 minutes after meals before brushing my teeth. Brushing immediately after eating, especially acidic foods, can actually erode enamel because it's temporarily softened due to acid attack, which happens basically every time after we eat. So I wait 30 minutes, but there's a special way to cut that wait down to just 5 minutes. And I'll show you that a bit later. My second step I do daily is the one that eliminates bad breath. And this is the step almost nobody does. After brushing, I use a tongue scraper. Always right away. Your tongue is like a sponge for bacteria and sulfur compounds that cause bad breath. If you only brush and skip this, you're leaving the main source of bad breath untouched. 2 scrapes down the middle, then 1 on each side. Done in 10 seconds and your mouth feels instantly fresher and you can say goodbye to bad breath for good. Third step is flossing or toothpicking. But here's the thing, I don't floss every single day. I do it 3 times a week, and that's enough to keep my gums and the spaces between teeth completely healthy. The trick is consistency and especially the quality. When I do floss, I use the proper C-shape hug method to clean under the gums. I'm not just snapping the floss up and down. And sometimes I switch it up with the silicone toothpicks, which are better at keeping the gums healthy. The key? Don't aim for perfection every day. Aim for quality and consistency you can actually stick with. Step 4 is protection. Every night I use a custom fitted mouthguard. Why? Because even though most people don't realize it, clenching or grinding your teeth, even lightly, can cause tiny cracks and enamel wear over time. These cracks can cause sensitivity, abfraction, or even full fractures, which may eventually require tooth extractions and lead to tooth loss. So for me, the mouthguard is like an insurance policy. I wake up with teeth that are safe, protected, and stress-free. And if you've ever had unexplained tooth wear, morning jaw pain, or headaches, this one step could save your teeth for decades. And here's my final step, and certainly my favorite hack: xylitol gum or pastilles. And this is a game changer. Xylitol does 3 things at once. It stimulates saliva, which neutralizes acids. It starves cavity-causing bacteria because they can't digest it. And it lets me brush again in just 5 minutes instead of waiting a half an hour. And that's how I save 25 minutes every single day. It's like having a fast forward button for enamel protection. And honestly, it's the easiest step to add. I keep a pack in my pocket all the time, so I never forget. So that's my 5-step oral care routine. Brushing, tongue scraping, flossing, mouthguard and xylitol. It's simple, realistic, and the reason I haven't had a single cavity, gum problem, or bad breath in years. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe for more. And before you go, click right here to learn the flossing method dentists actually use. I'll also reveal the 3 biggest flossing mistakes most people are making every single day. Click right here now and become a master of flossing.